What would you all be asking for the box of CDs down there?
$1.
$1 for all? You just want them all out of here?
Can you tell?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Excited? You excited this morning?
What's the dog's name?
You excited?
Oh, okay, we got somebody. Okay.
Oh, it's okay. It's fine. I have furries at the house. Do you know what you would be looking for if I was to take all the magazines?
$5.
5?
That's all of them? Yeah, I guess that's all of them.
Can you do 3?
Yep.
Is that cool? Okay. There we go. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I'm gonna just set these up here if that's okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep looking. What are you asking on these?
I can $5 a piece.
$5 a piece. Can you do 8? I think.
8.
Or you want 5 for
5
each?
each.
Okay. On those. Yeah, I think I have a 10. Let me just see. Do you have a 10 on you at all?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a 20. There you go. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, now that'd be so for you.
broken.
Yeah. I need your help. My fingers won't do what I need to do. Come here. Hey, save that purse. The deer. I like them. This one? Yeah. That's what I use.
That's fine. You guys had that, there's a little gamepad over there. Do you have any more video game at all? For stuff like that?
They try to keep them.
Okay. What would you all be asking for the box of CDs down there?
$1.
$1 for all.
The whole
You
thing.
just want them all out of here.
Can you tell?
Yeah. So that little blue, and then there's like another little kind of like box thing. $1 for both those?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll take them off your hands. That's easy enough for me.
I'll tell them.
All right.
Anything else you want?
I think that's it. I think it'll be all right. But all right, thanks. I'll grab those. No, I didn't check. Sport. Ma'am? Sorry, yeah, I was gonna go chish. Would you take another $1 for that board right there? All right, there you go. Thank you. All right, welcome back. So I'm trying to get a video up at least once every single day, or at least edit a video every day, because I'm out of here in approximately 7 to 8 days. So I probably have, I don't know, 10 days of footage at least that I need to sift through, and it takes a while. So I'm shotgunning through these things. And as far as those sales, there was even some sales the previous day that I didn't edit and bother, and I wasn't gonna do these, but I was like, this is probably pretty quick. So wanted to show at least something for today. Came across those Navy caps and was pretty excited, but I don't think they were like World War II era. They were kind of more like 60s, 70s, 80s type stuff. So nothing crazy. And then that whole like lot of CDs, I was holding on to those and not approaching them to list, because I just knew there was like some tape on them I had to get off and everything, and it was gonna be a whole half day's work. But eventually got around to it, got all those into lots as you saw. So yes, quick little video for y'all to watch. Thanks for watching. Hope it was worth 10 minutes of your time. Take care now, bye.